Welcome my students, how are you? We will solve a lot of questions about estimate, sums, and difference of mixed number. Question number 1. He asked about estimate the sum or difference by rounding, then compute and compare. Okay. Number 1. 9 1/3 plus 2 and 3 over 8. Look at this denominator. The half of 3 equal 1 half. 1 and half. 1 less than 1 and half. So this number will be estimate to 9. And half of 8 equal 4. Half of 8 equal 4. 3 less than 4. So this number nearest to 2 will be, summating this number will be what? 9 plus 2 equal 11. And what about the difference? The difference will be 9 subtract 2 will be 7. You want to find the sum or difference about this example. But in this example, he asked about 8 only. So if you want to find the difference, you must write this method again. Okay, it was question number 1. Okay, so 11 is estimate the sum. The sum. Another example. Question number 2. 8 and 2 over 3 plus 4 and 3 over 4. We want to estimate the sum about this operation. We know 2 over 3 more than half or not. The half of 3 will be 1.5. Look at here. Half of 3, 1.5. The half of 3, 1.5. 2 more than 1.5. So we can give 1 to 8. The result will be 9. And half of 4 will be 2. 3 more than 2. Yes. So we can give 1 to the whole number will be 5. Then 9 plus 5 equal 14. It is the estimate of sum. Question number 3. 14 and third plus 12 and half. We can write half of 3 equal 1.5. 1 less than 1.5. Okay, so we can write 14 only, plus half of 2 equal 1. 1 equal to 1. So 12 and half nearest to 13. Again, half of 2 equal 1. 1 equal 1. So 12 and half nearest to 13. 13 plus 14 equal 27. Question number 4. It's the estimate of sum. Question 4. 16. 2 over 7 plus 13 and 5 over 9. The half of 7, 3.5. 2 less than 3.5. We can't give 1 to 6. The nearest to 16. This number next to 16. And half of 9 equal 4.5. 5 more than 4.5. So we can give 1 to 13 will be 14. 6 plus 4 equal 10. 0 and carry up 1. 2 plus 1 equal 3. So the result will be 30. Question number 4 and question number 9. 11 and 3 over 5 plus 4 and 7 over 8. Who can solve it? half of 5 equal 2.5. 3 less than or more than? So we can give 1 to 11. This number nearest to 12. And half of 8 equal 4. 7 more than 4. So 4 and 7 over 8 nearest to 5. Then 12 plus 5 equals 17. Another example. Question number 6. 16 and 4th. 16 and 4th plus 4 and 3 over 8. We know half of 4 equal to, the half of 4 is 2. 1 less than 2. So 16 and 4th nearest to 16. Half of 8 equal 4. 3 less than 4. 3 is less than 4. So 16 plus 4. 4 and 3 over 8 needs to 4. 16 plus 4 equal 20. Question number 7. 19 and 2 over 9 plus 15 and 3 over 4. Half of 9 equal 4.5. 2 less than 4.5. Then you can write 19 here. And 15 and 3 over 4. 3 over 4. Half of 4 equal to 3 more than 2. Can give 1 to 15 will be 16. So the result will be 6 plus 9 equal 15. 5 and care of 1. 2 plus 1 equal 3. It's the estimate sum. Question. Another example. Question 8. Question 8. 15 and 8 plus 14 and 8 over 9. Half of 8 equal 4. 1 less than 4. So this number nearest to 15. Plus half of 9, 4.5. This is half of 9. 8 is more than 4.5. So we can give 1 to 14, or 14 and 8 over 9 nearest to 15. 15 plus 15 equal 30. Question number 9. Question 9. 7 and 1 over 5 plus 3 and 4 over 9 plus 5 and third equal what? Okay, 1 less than half of 5. Half of 5 equal 4. 1 less than 4. So this number nearest to 7. Half of 9 equal 4.5. 4 and a half. 4 less than 4 and a half. So it's nearest to 3. Half of 3, 1.5. 1 less than 1.5. Then we can write 5 here. 7 plus 3 plus 5. 7 plus 3 equal 10 plus 5 equal 15. That was question 9. Question 10. Question number 10. 4 and 2 over 11. Okay, look at here. 4 and 2 over 11 plus 7 and 1 over 8 plus 9 and 3 over 10. 2 less than half of 11. Half of 11 equal 5 and half. The half of 11 equal 5.5. 2 less than 5.5, so the next number is 2, 4. And half of 4 equal 8. Half of 8 equal 4. 1 less than half of 8, this number will be 7. Half of 10 equal 5. 3 less than 5. So this number will be 9. Then 4 plus 7 equal 11. 11 plus 9 equal 20. Then the result will be 20. Question 11. 8 and 3 over 5 plus 9 and 4 over 7 plus 3 and 5 over 6. Half of 5 equal 2 and half. 3 more than 2 and half. Give 1 to 8 will be 9. 7, half of 7 equals 3.5. 4 more than the half of 7. So this number nearest to 10. And half of 6 equals 3. 5 more than half of 6. Then this number is nearest to 4. Then 9 plus 10 equal 19. 19 plus 4 equal 23. Question 12. Question 12. 8 and 7 over 12. Subtract 4 and 3 over 4. Half of 12 is 6. 7 more than 6, so this number there is 2, 9. Half of 4 equal 3. Okay, then 3 equal 3. No, half of 4 equal 2. Okay, half of 4 is 2. 3 more than 2 can give 1 to 4 will be 5. 9 minus 5 equal 4. Question what? Question 13. 10 and 1 over 5. Subtract 2 and 3 over 10. Half of 5 equal 2.5. 1 is then, so this number there is 10. And the half of 10 equal 5. 3 is than 5. So this number is nearest to 2. Then 10 minus 2 equal 8. It's the estimate difference. Okay, difference estimate. Another example. Question number 14. Question 14. 18 2 over 9. Subtract 4 and half. We know the half of 9 equal 4.5. 2 is less than 4.5, so this number will be nearest to 18. And half of 2 equal 1. 1 equal 1, so this number is nearest to 5. So the difference estimate will be 13. Question 15. 15 and 2 over 3. Subtract 4 and 7 over 8. We know the half of 3 equal 1.5. 2 more than 1.5, so this number will be 16. This number is nearest to 16. And the half of 8 equal 4. 7 more than 4. This mixed number is nearest to 5. Then 16 subtract 5 equal 11. Question 16. 6 and 4 over 7. Subtract 2 and third. We know half of 7 equal 3.5. 4 is more than 3.5. This number will be 7. Nearest to 7. And third nearest to 2. This number 2 and third nearest to 2, because half of 3 equal 1.5. 1 is less than 1.5, so this number will be 2. 7 subtract 2 equal 5. Question 17. 5 and 7 over 10. Subtract 2 and 3 over 5. We want to find the result to difference about two mixed number. The half of 10 equal 5. 7 is more than 5, so this mixed number is nearest to 6. And the half of 5 equal 2.5. 3 is more than 2.5, so this number will be 3. This mixed number nearest to 3. 6 subtract 3 equals 3. Question 18. Question 18, 9 and 2 over 3 subtract 2 and 5 over 6. Who can solve it? Half of 3 equal 1.5. 2 is more than 1.5, so the estimate about this number will be 10. The nearest to 10. Subtract half of 6 equal 3. 5 is more than half of 6 is more than, so this number is nearest to 3. 10 minus 5 minus 3 equals 7. The difference estimate. Question 19. 8 Question 19. 8 and 3 over 4 subtract 3 and 2 over 7. Half of 4 equal 2. 3 is more than 2, so this number is nearest to 9. Subtract half of 7 is equal 3.5. 2 is less than 3.5, so this mixed number is nearest to 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. It's okay. You must complete question 20 to 26 about this method. You must know this method and solve a lot of questions about this example. Okay. Goodbye, my students. We will complete all questions in another video. Okay. Goodbye.